Wow, look at this river. How much is flowing. See, this pipe is flowing as much as it can. That's still not enough for all this water. Yeah, look, when it overflows, it's supposed to act like it's a waterfall. That's cool. Alright, we're gonna check on the dam we have downstream. Oh shit. I got a hole in my boot and now it's leaking.
I have a hole in my boot.
Is it? It feels like something's stabbing you. Oh. Oh, this is a trench that I built. There's a little stuff in the middle of it. Yeah, here's the other one. Got a little pond here. It's flowing a lot. Oh, how are we gonna get to the other side? Oh. On this thing. It's the little one. Look at that. There's a lot flowing out of here. Yeah, look. Springtime, all the skunk cabbage comes out. Look at it. It's everywhere.
Look at that skunk meat.
If this was edible, we would have lettuce for life, or cabbage for life. But if you rip it apart, you'll stink like skunk. So, yeah, the rapids coming in. Yeah, whenever it rains, it rushes this river. It's a little creek, but look how much it's flowing. Oh, I gotta go across this again. So over here it's really deep. Okay. Okay. Made it. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's Rushing River. Thanks for watching.